Baby, it's cold outside and inside my bedroom closet. The flame test proves it. The access door to my attic crawl space is in my bedroom closet, and when the house was built, the space wasn't insulated. We tried quick DIY projects before, but nothing worked. So I knew it was time to insulate the correct way. I began by removing the foam that we applied last year that just wasn't working. I simply used a putty knife and scraped it away. I bought foam sheets that were packaged together and easy to transport home and easy to work with. I measured the door outside and inside. I cut the first sheet of foam to size using a utility knife. I hung the foam onto the inside of the door with painter's tape, then drilled pilot holes. I attached the foam to the inside of the door using washers and screws. It's necessary to use a washer so the screw doesn't go all the way through the foam. I continued adding sheets of foam until the door was covered. I cut smaller pieces to fit around the door handle, keeping them in place with duct tape. I applied adhesive rubber seal to the inside of the door jamb for a tight seal. I applied caulk to the edges of the foam on the door to seal that too. Lastly, I applied an adhesive door sweep to the outside bottom of the door. My insulation project passed the flame test. I hope this inspires you to tackle those small insulation projects around your home.